Good morning, everyone. Um, in our last class, we are dealing with the topic verbs, and in our last video, we have done the topic. We are talking about the base verb. So, what is verb? We all know that verb is the word that shows what the subject does, says, or has, or is. Example: what the subject is doing. All the action words in a sentence is called the verb. Example: fire burns, the baby slept. And if we are talking about the base verbs, it is verb has different form, and all the forms of verbs come from the base verb. When we use the verb in a sentence, we use the verbs in different forms, and all that forms of verb comes from the base verb. So a base verb is a simplest form of verb without any special ending. Base verb is not having any special ending. It is just a simple form of verb. So example, if we look at the example, we find example read, fly. So whenever we are changing the base verb into other form, change form to show the tenses. We show the tenses. If the base verb is changing into other form of verb, then it shows the tenses. It shows the time period, such as three basic tenses: present, past, and future. So any action that will take place in present form, past form, or future form, in this form of tenses only, the action will be take place, or it is taking place. So all action words comes from the base verb of doing verb. All action action verbs come from the base verb, as I already told you, and whatever it is doing in the sentence. Example: grandpa is reading the newspaper. Here, if we are using ing form, here read is the base verb, and we are using in the other form, we are adding ing, so it is called reading. So it is our other form of verb using base verb. Second example for this: the bird is flying in the sky. Here fly is the base verb, and we are using it in the other form using ing. So this is how we use the base form, and we can change the base form adding any other form to form the tenses according to the tenses. So now, what is present tense? Present tense are the action that are currently happening. Means present tense, in Hindi we call it Vartaman Kal. The action which is already taking right now is called present tense. Past tense verbs are the action that already happened. Past tense is the word that is already happened. It is already happened in the past, and we usually use ed form to form the past tense. We use ed with the word, with the base word, to show the past tense. Example: watch, we use ed to make it watched. Past form. So future tense verbs are the action that will happen in the future. Future tense denotes that the action that will take place in the coming future, and it is basically used with will or shall. For future tense, we use the action will or shall. In the next video, I will tell you with more examples.